Hi viewers, wonderful to see you again. I hope you've had a splendid trading day today. So it's a quick market recap then, just a summary. In terms of the general trading theme of this session today in the US, general risk appetite, investors favouring the riskier assets. We've seen the likes of the stock futures or the equity markets in general outperforming today, led higher by the tech stocks. They're seen up in terms of this sector breakdown around 2%, so leading the packed higher there. In regards to the general amount of news flow, nothing particularly fundamental driving the markets as such today, though we have seen some positive earnings today in the likes of the Bank of America. They have continued that good trend of US earnings out of the banks. But the general earnings season this quarter has been pretty impressive. You know, it's had a good trend to it. Now, looking elsewhere, out of the Fed's beige book, they just noted that the Fed economy grew at a modest pace in comparison to the last beige book, where they note it grew to a modest to moderate pace. So a bit of a change in language there. No real reaction seen in the markets on that data or on that release out of the beige book. But also, just to mention, guys, as we do head through this summer period, you know, the politicians going on their break, participants in general going off to their holidays, you know, things are starting to quiet down slightly. Not a lot, but news flow and economic releases, etc., just calming down somewhat in the markets. So in terms of what we're looking out for now then, corporate earnings, IBM, the big one today. It'll be interesting to see how they perform, just given the competitive market. The tech market is very competitive. You know, their competitors, for example, Apple, HPQ, Intel, you know, it is a very tough market. So we do look forward to seeing how IBM perform, how that pans out for them. EPS, though, expected at $3.43, and their shares are seen trading up around 2% at the moment. So I wish you the best of luck if you are trading, and enjoy your evening. Thank you very much.